strawberry buttercream frosting. Baby. When I tell you this buttercream is packed with strawberries and butter. Oh, okay. Look, I can't talk no more. Look, get yourself 4 sticks of butter. Okay. 4 sticks of butter, which is 2 cups. We're going to go ahead and put that in the mixer, and we're going to go ahead and let it mix up. Now, I like to make sure that my butter is thoroughly creamed. So I'm going to go ahead and put all my butter into my mixer, and I'm going to let this mix for about 8 minutes. All right, now to this, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of strawberry extract. Now, you know, that ain't all the strawberry flavor I'm going to add. But right now, we're going to add just this strawberry extract, and we're going to let it mix it on up now. Now, I'm making a big batch of this strawberry buttercream. So I'm going to be using 8 cups of powdered sugar. 8 cups of powdered sugar is 1,000 grams. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to kind of split that in portions because I want to mix in my powdered sugar a little bit at a time because I don't want a big cloud of smoke. So I'm going to go ahead and add my powdered sugar to my scale. If you don't have a scale, go get yourself a scale. I'm telling you, it's going to make things easy, precise, and it's going to ensure that all of your tasty treats taste the same. So right there, I'm adding in, let's see, that's 305. I'm going to go up to half of it and get 500 grams and put that in, and then I will mix the other half in. And if you are new here, hi, welcome to Turtle's Tasty Treats, where we make baking from scratch easy. And I'm Diet. Welcome. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and stay in tune for all of the tasty treats that we have to share. All right. So we're going to go ahead 500. And I'm going to go ahead and put in, like I said, a little bit. Mix it on up. All right. Now, baby, I'm going to go ahead and add the other half. And while that's mixing, I'm going to go ahead and put 500 more grams into my bowl. All right. So that's 500 grams. I'm going to go ahead and put my powdered sugar on up. And then we can go ahead and mix a little bit more of the powdered sugar in. And mix it on up. All right. So what I'm doing now is I'm scraping down the sides of the bowl. I want to make sure that I have reach the bottom and that everything is nicely fully incorporated together. We don't want just a big clunk of powdered sugar or a big clump of butter at the bottom. We want to make sure everything is nicely mixed together. Baby. All right, we're ready now for the star ingredient, which is the strawberries, baby. Now, I started with 1 pint of strawberries. I cut them up. I let them go ahead and reduce down for 45 minutes. I stir, and then I turn the heat down and let it simmer on down for 20 more minutes to let it reduce. Once it reduced, I now have this nice thick strawberry puree. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add this to my buttercream. And this is where the strawberry flavor going to come through, baby. It ain't strawberry buttercream without the strawberries. So let's go ahead and add this in. Pour that strawberry preserves in. And this is a half a cup. I am pulling out my spatula now because I don't want any of the strawberry puree to go to waste. Oops. All right. You can see that was not locked in, but luckily everything is okay. Okay, we're going to go ahead and mix it up. Now, to cut some of the sweetness, I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of salt. Add that on in there. And we're going to go ahead and mix it up. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my spatula, scrape down the sides, making sure that we fully incorporate the strawberry puree with the butter and all of this goodness. So scraping down to make sure that I got a nice even consistency. Next, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to go ahead and let it mix on up. All right, we to the final step, baby. And that's basically transferring the buttercream into a container. Now, as you can see, I'm going to put this right here. My buttercream is nice and pink. So we're going to go ahead and transfer this over. All right. Now with this recipe, it will be able for you to mix 4 cakes with this. Get it all out of here. All right, put this to the side. Now, before I go, I want to go ahead and taste a little bit. Strawberry, buttery yumminess. Ready to be paired with cake, cupcakes, or whatever you want to put this buttercream to. Well, I'll see you in the next one. And make sure you subscribe for more.